How to add your favorite quotes to your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile, then click these 3 points and then click edit profile. Scroll down and click interests, and then here we'll find favorite quotes. Now just type here any quote you want, and then save it, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.